Boardmaker 7. So I have found a few great tools in Boardmaker 7. So if you open up the app, which can take some time, and you go new, and you'll see that you can either create something blank, or you've got printable, interactive, and favorites. So if you click on printable, there is a whole whack ton of things that you can find here. So for example, I click on activities to go. You see we've got activity schedules, we've got board games, we've got hidden pictures, we've got a whole load of things, webs, writing, behavioral supports, I will not, token boards, calendars. Now, one of the things that's great with this, I'll just move myself, with this is like, let's take a 2020 calendar and we'll go create. And straight away, it pops up here. So we've got our calendar. Okay, that's nice and simple. But let's say we wanted to edit it, or let's say we want to add something on this Friday. So let's say we want no school. Okay, here we go. Just drag it. It's in. Like, it's so simple and so easy. Really, really quick and easy to do. Okay, so let's say I want to look at another example. I'll go back to new. I'll go to let's try a board game. Now these are quite nice, these board games. So let's say you can either print it in color or you can print it in black and white. Let's say you want to work on common words that kids would be saying. So let's do our CVC words. So like rat, for example. So we'll put our rat and we'll put our rat over here, and then maybe we'll put our I'll do our bat. There we go. So bat over here. So you can see, like, really, really quickly, you can make like a board game for emergent literacy, early reading activities, or you can make really anything. It's really quick and easy to do, and all these pre-made templates are great. Like, they've got a lot of options. There's a Christmas themed one here. And one really cool thing that they've added, so let's say, for example, find the object, but this hasn't got symbols. Well, rather than having to type it all out again, you see here we've got content and symbolate mode. Literally, you just click on, and boom, you've got all of the words simulated. Now you can even choose. Would you like to have just the nouns simulated? Would you like to have the symbols on the top? Or would you like to have the symbols on the bottom? Do you want to have just the verbs simulated? Do you want to have you've got a whole host of options, and for making quick and simple things right there. It's fantastic. Let's say you've got students that are working on writing. So like, here's opinion writing. You can choose here. Let's say again, make sure that's symbolated, so that you've got symbols there. Fantastic, so quick and so easy, and it's even got the writing area here, so the children can print here. So, couple of useful tips on Boardmaker 7, on some of the pre-programmed templates that are in Boardmaker 7.